Yo, what's good, everybody? Today I'm gonna teach you how to add the abstract chain onto your MetaMask. So the first thing you want to do is open up your MetaMask. Hold on, let me put in the password. Alright, I'll log in. Alright, first thing you want to do is you want to change the network. So right here to the top left, click right here, then click add custom network. Alright, so now we got the information right here. Network name, abstract. Paste that right there. Add the RPC link. This is the RPC link right here. Add. And then what chain ID is 2741. Begin somewhere, guys. And then the symbol is ETH. Blockchain Explorer URL. I don't think I really need that. Click save. Bet. So now we're gonna change the network right here to abstract. Alright, congratulations. You are now on the abstract chain. See you on the other side.